Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, if you see a chart with conditions and the pathology. So first, if you see the disease Alzheimer's disease. In Alzheimer's disease, you will see that there is diffuse cerebral atrophy is seen in the Alzheimer's disease. Then if you see the PML, which is PML is if there is progressive multifocal. If the patient has progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy, if the patient has progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy, then you will see that there is widespread demyelinating lesions are seen in the cerebral cortex. Okay, so this is one of the important pathology. Then if you see in Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, the pathology will be presence of widespread neuronal loss will be seen, and gliosis is also seen in Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in the pathology. In the gross pathology or microscopic pathology, we will see widespread neuronal loss with gliosis. One, so yeah, yes, that's it.
thank you and thank you for watching.